This is a fresh installed Ubuntu 24. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install UlinkNT software on this machine. First, we need to download software and a library. So click here. So type www.usbjtag.com. We need to go to the file download, and for Linux we need to download two files. One is software as well as the library. So we click here, and this latest version here is 1.82, so we click download. As well as we can go back and download the library, and this is Qt version 6.7. So let's go to the downloads here. This one is downloaded. We can extract. How to extract it? So right click, open. So let's go to the terminal. CD download, and I'm going to download this to the desktop. So go to, and let's download tar xvf download u.tar, and it's downloaded. Now see if we finish download the Qt library. So the library is downloaded. Now we can unzip it. xvf q, and you will see a folder like this, Qt library, and we need to add this into the profile. So let's go to vi, go to the end, we need to add those two lines. Copy and paste. We also need to modify this line to 666. So here we need to sudo vi so search for the USB. USB here. Current value is 664. We need to modify this to 666. After installation, you will see a USB JTAG group on the desktop, and if you double click it, you will see the app run or USB JTAG. So I'm going to click this one, and it will ask me to do the configuration, and this device is E40. So I'm going to select E40, and this is CAN bus. So I'm click OK. Now I'm going to power on the USB. And since I'm running in the virtual machine, so I'm going to give the USB to it. And the first time you will show up the activation dialog, you can enter the email address and click online activation. Since this device is activated, it will be in the database and it will show activated. If you use the first time and you do not see the activation coming in, wait until I receive the email and will send you the activation code. In this case, I'm going to do some basic here. Okay, I need to power on the ECU. And let's do this one more time, and we can read the VIN number. Let's do this one more time, and I can detect and enter the debugger on. Now, normally you should not use the virtual machine to run the application for the canvas. It's canvas only. Canvas does not work well under virtual machine or VMware. The reason for that one is you sometimes get stuck at the read. Let's try this. Okay, I'm going to read it. Here you can see it stopped flashing and the read stop here. So if you are using the canvas, you should use the native machine. Like you have a native Linux. That is why we are releasing the native Linux continue on, and even for Macintosh.